Hey guys, it's Seny from sisterssavingucents and welcome back, Scent Savers. I'm sitting outside of Publix and y'all listen. Y'all gotta go in and clip those coupons. If you haven't already, go clip your coupons from Sunday. We have so many matchups for this week's deals that end on 7/7. So I'm gonna go over like 5 of them, okay? Like 5 deals that you might wanna get if your ad ends on 7/7 or ends on 7/8. You'll have a little bit more time. But these are some good deals based off the coupons that we just got. And also, BeFrugal. So if you have not signed up for BeFrugal, we have a fantastic deal on the Arm & Hammer 32 count packs that ends today 7/7 or tomorrow 7/8. I'm talking about almost a $4 moneymaker. So if you have not signed up for BeFrugal before you continue through this video, you want to stop what you're doing, go down into the description box below and sign up for BeFrugal. Then when you cash in an offer, so when you complete an offer, you go in, let's say you go do this deal, you'll get a bonus when you sign up. Okay, so make sure you use our link. Now, with that being said, Sam's Club membership, all those things are gone, y'all. Sam's Club has went back up to $25. So if you still need one, it's down in the description box below. What else was I telling y'all? Make sure you go back. We posted so many videos yesterday, so many. So the Target video has been posted and the Target reel. The CVS video has been posted and the CVS reel as well. So if you need to pick up some deals this week, we done all the videos for you. So go and check those out, as well as Walgreens. So thank y'all for tuning in. Now I'm about to head into Publix. We're going to see what we can finish grabbing for it this week and then talk about some upcoming deals starting 7/8 for us who are here in North Carolina. So let's head inside and let's go see what deals we can pick up tomorrow and what we can score today. All right, y'all, let's go. Now, this has to be one of the best deals that we've ever had on Arm & Hammer, especially the deep clean and the 32 count pack. We don't get a lot of deals on the big packs. Now, these are priced at $12.39 and they're buy one get one free, and this is valid for this week and it ends today 7/7 or 7/8 depending on your location. Okay, so you're gonna pick up 2 of these. 2 of them, like I said, are $12.39. We're going to be using this 5 off of 20 digital coupon if you haven't already used it. That's going to come off. That's going to leave us to pay $7.39 for both. Then we're going to submit over to BeFrugal. Now, guys, if you have not signed up for BeFrugal, this is the time to sign up for BeFrugal. They really do give us some really great offers that are sometimes much higher than our offers on Swagbucks, okay? So just keep that in mind. The link is down below in the description box. Go ahead and join BeFrugal and redeem one offer so you can get your welcome bonus, okay? Now, we're going to get back $11.35 back on 2 from BeFrugal. It's going to make 2 of these completely free and a $3.96 moneymaker. Y'all, fantastic deals. So please let me know, did you know this was going on? Did you go grab them? Yeah, just let me know, because my store did not have any more of the Powerfully Clean when I came, so I was unable to get the detergent that I wanted. So this is a really great deal. Y'all, so I was looking or wanted to show y'all the Dove FIFA body wash. My store is out of it. I don't even know if we carry it. Now, I do know that we carry the women's, because I know that it was like this scent. It's the Palo Santo scent, but it's the Dove FIFA actual branding. These are on sale for $7.99 this week. And I do mean this week. The ad that ends today, you're going to buy 2 for $15.98. We do have $5 off when we spend $15 instantly, and an 8 off of 2 digital that expires on 7/11. So you won't have much longer to use that. But it ends up making 2 of them $2.98 or $1.49 each. This is a really great deal. Now, I was looking to see if it worked on the Dove men's, because we do have the Dove men's FIFA in stock, but it doesn't, because it says 20-ounce body wash in the ad specifically. So if you can find that Dove women's deal or do it. It's a great deal to stock up, and let me know, did you pick it up earlier in the week? Me and sis found out about it maybe a day or 2 after we left, so I wanted to just let y'all know. All right, y'all, next deal that expires as of today is going to be on the Smart Water. So the Smart Water is buy one get one free at $15.69, and we did get a new threshold coupon that is save $5 when you spend $15. So you only need, well, if I were you, I would pick up 2 of them for $15.69, and then I would use that 5 off of 15. It's going to make 2 of the 6-pack liters $10.69 or $5.34. And this is a really great deal, but just keep in mind this will end today 7/7 for some or 7/8, just depending on when your ad starts. Well, these new digital coupons really have been good. So this is the deal that also will end today 7/7 or 7/8 depending on your ad. This is on the Axe deodorants. They're priced at $5.99. You can pick up 2 for $11.98. We do have $4 off of 2 instantly when we pick up 2, and then we also have a 6 off of 2 digital that just came, and that ends up making them $1.98 for 2 or 98 cents each. Fantastic deal. So I thought I wanted to tell you just in case y'all want to make a trip to Publix today or tomorrow. This is the last deal that we're talking about, which is on the Colgate Optic White toothpaste. These are buy one get one free at $4.59, and this is a deal that ends today 7/7 or 7/8 depending on when your ad starts and ends. Okay, so you can pick up 2 of these. We have a new 3 off of 2 digital coupon, ends up making 2 of them $1.59 or 79 cents each. That's a good deal, so I wanted to mention it. All right, y'all. All right, y'all, so here is the first deal. We're looking at the Betty Crocker fruit snacks, also General Mills. These are priced at $3.75. They are buy one get one free, and it should include the 6 to 10 count is what it says. It also is talking about, it also includes the Annie's, y'all, which are more expensive at $6.79. Y'all see that? So anyways, these are $3.75. Okay, they're going to be buy one get one free. We're going to pick up 2. We have a 50-cent off of 2 digital coupon. We have a 75-cent off of 2 Ibotta rebate and a 55-cent off of 2 Fetch Reward as well. That makes these $1.95 or 97 cents each. I think this is a really good deal. When we get these snacks, this is about the only time I pick them up. So pick it on up, y'all. If you're looking for gluten-free pasta, if the gluten-free pasta, the Barilla, is included, these are $3.19 buy one get one free, and we have so many stocking offers on Fetch Rewards. I think this will end up being a good deal. I'm gonna wait since I am unsure if the gluten-free will be included, but if it is, I just wanted to kind of give you guys like a little heads up. And check your Fetch offers and see what you have just in case you need to stock up on some gluten-free pasta, and we'll confirm this tomorrow. All right, so here's the next deal. This is something that's going to be starting on the new ad. It's the Friskies cat food. You're looking for the 3.15 pound bag. These are priced at $5.99. They're going to be buy one get one free, and we have a $2 off of 2 digital coupon for this specific size. It's going to end up making 2 bags $3.99 or just $1.99 each. That's not a bad price point, so if you need them, definitely stock up once the sales ad starts. All right, so here is a really fun deal that we can do starting tomorrow 7/8. If your ad starts on 7/8, the Crest Plus Cavity Protection is priced at $2.99. It is the 8.2 ounce, and these are going to be buy one get one free. So if we pick up 1, we're going to pay $1.49. We have $2 back on Ibotta, limit of 1, making 1 of these completely free, plus like a 50-cent moneymaker. So really fun, easy deal if you haven't already used your $2 rebate. And if you have used your $2 rebate, it has been resetting, so just keep that in mind. Okay, so here's the next deal. It's on the Yoplait yogurt 8 count, y'all. It's the 8 counts, okay? These are priced at $6.39. They're buy one get one free. We have $1 Ibotta rebates. We're going to submit that 2 times, making 2 of them $4.39 or just $2.19 each for 8 cups is good, y'all. So pick these up if you need them. I know they're not the healthiest, but if you need them, get them. All right, y'all. Okay, so now that I am back in the car, the only thing I actually ended up picking up was Cool Whip for Sis, y'all. Sis is locked in on her fitness journey. So if y'all don't know, the Cool Whips are buy one get one free. The big tubs, this is the 0 sugar. They're $4.59 buy one get one free. This is a steal. This is a great deal. So just got her some of those. But yeah, y'all, these deals are really good. I really had to tell myself I needed to calm down because I don't know what I have because I need to organize my couponing closet. But I know I have a lot of detergent and stuff, so I didn't end up picking up that Arm & Hammer. But it's good, and I still might come back and do it. I ain't gonna hold you. I might come back and do it. later on. Right now I'm like, calm down. I got so much stuff I got to do today, so I don't want to be doing too much. But anyways, I love y'all. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comment section below. All the links to sign up for any apps that we mentioned if you're new to couponing, like Fetch, Ibotta, BeFrugal, any of those are going to be down in the description box below. We love y'all so much, and we will see you on the next video. Bye, guys.